This is Bye Bye Money, and today is January 9th, 2021, and I did it again. I broke the E-mini. I just keep breaking this thing. Literally a baby could be doing this because this is 100% automated trading. I will say this. I tweaked it teeny weeny little teeny bit. Without tweaking it, it still was profitable this week, but I made a slight, super slight adjustment to it. And this is the end result. I want to be transparent with everyone here. To be honest, I am discovering the consistency of this strategy along with you guys. And so if you guys don't know, the last couple weeks I've been running this strategy 24/7, and you can check out the playlist in the description below to see the results of the previous weeks. But this is the most recent week of trading, and the end result, $1,562.50. That is, if we ran this automated strategy for 24/7, starting from Sunday at 6 p.m. till Friday close of trading, this will be the end result. The automated strategy trades on the 2000 tick chart and trades 5 contracts at a time with a 1-point scalp profit target and a 4-point stop loss. This automated strategy implements the two-legged pullback indicator by finding the two-legged pullback in a certain setup. And so the indicator, the automated strategy actually uses price action to trade. It's not just some sort of indicator that crosses over each other and makes a arbitrary decision to make a trade. This actually uses price action to trade automatically. And this is just one of many strategies being produced by the two-legged pullback community. If you don't know, the deluxe edition comes with automated strategy capabilities, and those who purchase the deluxe edition have an exclusive access to a community that is just maybe even just as hungry or maybe even hungrier than I am to break the E-mini. So we have a couple strategies there running, and people are back testing it, people are trying it out themselves, people are running it live trading, but they're sim trading because we're still testing out all our strategies. This group is still pretty new, but we are back testing with months and months of data, and I'll just say right now, the community slaps. And we would love if you are part of this community to be part of automated trading. We really believe that 2021 is the year of automation for the two-legged pullback. And so check out the website at www.twoleggedpullback.com, and you can check out more information. And like I said, we would love if you would be part of this community. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you find these videos helpful, I think that really helps us add to the two-legged pullback community, because that gets the word out and gets more people to know about this, and more people hopefully can join this community, so we get more minds to work on automated trading, so the little guys like us can make some profit off the futures from those huge institutions trading billions. And so we would love if you could be part of this community that is just hungry to break the E-mini. That's enough of me talking. Go ahead, and I'm gonna just show you the most recent week of trading, which starts from January 3rd all the way to January 8th as the most recent week of trading. And this is the results. I'll go ahead and play the strategy for you guys, the automated strategy for you guys on the market. Hope you guys enjoy, and as always, happy trading and God bless.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. it sound right, boy. It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.